Here's today's top story. Here's everything new in Wear OS 7 for the Pixel Watch Gallery. Following Tuesday's announcement, Google is rolling out the June 2026 Wear OS 7 update to the Pixel Watch 4, 3, and 2. Based on Android 17, CP2A.26060.3.001 is rolling out to the Pixel Watch 2, 3, and 4, including both the Bluetooth/Wi-Fi and LTE models. BT/Wi-Fi, CP2A.26060.3.001.S1 LTE, CP2A.26060.3.001 tapping the Your Watch is up-to-date screen, settings system updates, multiple times initiates the download this morning. To speed up the process, open connectivity preferences and disable Bluetooth to force Wi-Fi. The Pixel Watch June 2026 OTA update images can be found here. Google's changelog highlights the following additions. Google says Raise to Talk activation on the Pixel Watch 4 is more robust and accurate thanks to an improved gesture model. Top comment by Sir Bughunter: there is a bug where, when you swipe down to get to the quick tile section with the little turn wheel at the side, the screen flickers briefly while the QuickTel section comes down. Annoying AF. On the plus side, this update massively improved the performance overall on my Pixel Watch 3. Starstruck Remote Media Routing is integrated into the system media player to let users manage audio and video output devices from their paired Android phone using their Wear OS watch. This makes possible quick switching between outputs, Google Cast devices, Bluetooth headphones, and other smart displays and speakers. Note, this is not yet live. With this feature, users no longer need to access their phone to change media playback destinations. Emergency sharing is now integrated with loss of pulse, car crash, and fall detection. Google will automatically notify your emergency contacts when a hard fall, loss of pulse, or severe car crash is detected on your Pixel phone or watch, with users able to customize in settings. Where contacts changes, 3-button layout in messages, updating to include keyboard and voice search methods on the contact list screen to prevent the need to go to the recent contacts page on tapping search. Layout changes aim to further utilize Material 3 elements in brand new layouts to display the contact list and card in a fresh new way. This includes the addition of quick action buttons and a larger contact photo within the contact card, and a brand new layout for favorite contacts on the contact list. Here's everything we've found so far. AOD plus buttons behavior change. When the always-on display is active, tapping the crown will immediately open the app drawer, while rotating will open notifications or quick settings. Previously, either interaction would first wake the screen. New Mobile Networks QS tile appears as first item in quick settings to disable calls, messages, and mobile data on standalone watch. New Quick Add widget. This introduces the tile to widget rename. Tiles/widgets on the Pixel Watch remain a left/right swipe. Media controls can now be accessed at the top of notifications feed. More Material 3 expressive updated on off toggles, thicker sliders. New heart rate broadcasting QS icon FTC. We use income earning auto affiliate links. More. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.